Welcome to the exam sale video on Cisco SMB product and positioning technical overview exam. In this video, we will cover the complete syllabus of the exam. Let's dive in. The Cisco SMB product and positioning technical overview exam is designed to test your knowledge on various Cisco products and solutions for small and medium-sized businesses. The exam is divided into 5 domains, each carrying a specific percentage of the total weightage. The domains include Cisco Meraki Solutions at 30%, Cisco Security Solutions at 20%, Cisco On-Premise Networking at 20%, Introduction to Cisco SMB at 15%, and Cisco Collaboration Solutions at 15%. The Cisco Meraki Solutions domain focuses on cloud-managed infrastructure and simplified network operations for SMB customers. You will learn how to describe the Meraki cloud-managed architecture and out-of-band control plane, identify the benefits of the single pane of glass Meraki dashboard, explain Meraki licensing models, and understand zero-touch provisioning for remote site deployment. Additionally, you will learn about the Meraki product portfolio, including MS switches, MR wireless access points, MX security and SD-WAN capabilities, SM for mobile device management, and MT sensors for environmental monitoring. Moving on to the Cisco Meraki product portfolio, you will learn how to position Meraki MS switches for SMB access and aggregation layers, identify Meraki MR wireless access point features for high-density SMB environments, explain Meraki MX security and SD-WAN capabilities for branch connectivity, and describe Meraki SM for mobile device management. You will also learn about Meraki Insight for application performance and WAN monitoring, and Meraki MT sensors for environmental monitoring in SMB server rooms. The Cisco Security Solutions domain focuses on securing the SMB workforce through cloud-first security and endpoint protection. You will learn how to explain the value of Cisco Umbrella for DNS layer security, describe Duo multi-factor authentication for secure access, and identify Cisco Secure Access by Duo use cases for remote workers. Additionally, you will learn about endpoint and perimeter protection, including Cisco Secure Endpoint for advanced malware protection, Cisco Firepower and Cisco Secure Firewall models for SMBs, and Cisco Secure Email Threat Defense for phishing protection. Under the Cisco Security Solutions domain, you will also learn about the role of Cisco Talus in providing real-time threat intelligence, and the Security Choice offer for simplified SMB security bundles. You will learn how to position Cisco Secure Endpoint for advanced malware protection, identify Cisco Firepower and Cisco Secure Firewall models for SMBs, and explain Cisco Secure Email Threat Defense for phishing protection. The Cisco On-Premise Networking domain focuses on cost-effective, high-performance on-premise networking solutions for SMBs. You will learn how to identify the Cisco Business 250 and 350 series switching portfolio, position our V-series routers for secure SMB internet connectivity, and explain the key differences between Meraki and Cisco Business on-premise hardware. Additionally, you will learn about integrated management options for Cisco Business devices, and Power over Ethernet options in the SMB switch lineup. Under the Cisco On-Premise Networking domain, you will also learn about Cisco Business Wireless and Management, including Cisco Business 100 and 200 series access points and mesh extenders, the Cisco Business mobile app for network setup, and the benefits of Cisco Business Dashboard for multi-site management. You will learn how to position on-premise wireless for budget-conscious SMB customers, and understand the life cycle and support model for Cisco Business products.